now. Make sure you turn your videos off because I'm recording. All right, let's look at the next one. So for number 12, there is a GCF. I gotta erase all this because I need all this space. There is a GCF, y'all. And so we have to take out the GCF. The GCF in this problem will be what, y'all? 10, 41. Oh, there is no GCF. 41. I just looked at the 41. There is no GCF. All right, whatever. So we can't take out anything. So we need to move this down. Butterfly method, 10x squared plus 41x plus 40. All right, butterfly this bad boy. So we end up with 10 times 40 is 400x squared. So when I make my x, I'm going to do it down here because I need room. Okay, what are my two numbers? Quick, go, go, go. Okay, maybe this is freezing up again. Yeah, that was a hard one. So your calculator, you might have to keep going. Yep, 25 and 16. 25x and 16x. So 25x plus 16x, bring down the 40, bring down the 10, and let's make this happen. So we have, in the first term, we can take out a what? I think my computer is lagging. All right, we can take out a 5x. Not just a 5, y'all. We can take out a 5x. 5x, not just a 5. So we take out a 5x, we are left with 2x plus 5. Over here, we can take out an 8, and we're left with 2x plus 5. And now that should be positive 8. And now we get 5x plus 8 times 2x plus 5. All right, and that answer would be, that's number 12. What's the answer? A, B, C, or D? I don't feel like looking. D is the answer. That's what y'all say it is. Number 13. Again, A is not 1. So if A is not 1, we got to look for that GCF. We got to look for that GCF. If A is not 1, we must look for the GCF. So here, 20, 22, and 12, GCF would be a 2. So we take out a 2. So we have 20x squared plus 22x minus 12, take out a 2, and we end up with 10x squared plus 11x minus 6. Let's scroll this up. All right, and then we come over here and we butterfly this bad boy. So we get a negative 60x squared. So I got my x. I'll put my x down here. Negative 60x squared. And then we have 11x. What are my two terms? All right, Isaac was the first one to get it. He almost got it because y'all need to get these signs right. 15 and negative 4, y'all. 15 and negative 4. So 15x and negative 4x. That is what we write right here. So we have 15x minus 4x, bring down the negative 6, bring down the 10. Y'all know, no, that's a 10x squared, Mr. O'Neill. Drop this 2 down here so that you don't forget about that 2. And now we're looking at these two terms. 5x will be the greatest common factor. Take that out. We are left with 2x plus 3. And then we take out a negative 2. And then we're left with 2x plus 3. So now we brought down our 2 to set our life up. We get 5x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. So what's our answer, people? A, B, C, or D? A, B, C, or D? A it is. 13 is A. All right, number 14. Looks pretty cool the way I just highlighted that like that. Alberto, we get the point. Stop spamming. All right. We miss you too, Alberto. We miss you too. Actually, you kind of sound like that, Alberto. We miss you too. Yes, you do. Shut up, Aiden. Okay, 18D plus 81. Next problem. Nico, leave me alone. That does sound like McGowan. All right, okay, all right, whatever. Alberto, I'm never going to change. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. There is no A is equal to 1. Y'all don't butterfly this problem. We are looking for factors of 81 that add to give us 18. Give you a moment to write that down. Nothing but love, Berto. Berto. Nothing but love, Berto. All right. So there is no butterfly, y'all. Just factors of 81 that add to give you 18. Y'all too much. Put in the factors. What are the factors? Imani, anybody ask you that quick?
So I'm just not supposed to answer?
Yep, and you're supposed to not talk to me either, because I don't like you. All right, so we end up with D plus 9 times D plus 9. We all look at here, that is not an option in our problem. So D plus 9 times D plus 9 can be written as what? Alberto, make sure you hit the shift. So D plus 9 squared, B. And then number 15. I forgot I'm recording this. Number 15. Suppose that the area of a square lawn is 25x squared plus 40x plus 16. What is the length of one of the side of the lawn? Y'all, this is a square lawn. Square lawn, right? I need y'all to visually understand this. If it's a square lawn, then if it's the area, then we're saying, oh, I haven't emphasized this all day, that something times something here is going to give me this right here. What are these? I guess I'll call them scribbled in rectangles represent. What do they represent? I put 2. No. Come on, y'all. The length and width, but more importantly, those 2 represent the what? Come on, Isaac Hill Pfeiffer. I see you. I see you, sir. Been on it all day. I see you, Isaac. Hill Pfeiffer, I see you. All right, they represent the factors, y'all, because you multiply those to get us this. So they are the length and the width, but more importantly, they are the factors. So we're looking for factors. So that's the reason why we have to factor this. Y'all don't know this is a perfect square trinomial because I didn't teach it to y'all because it was just too much to teach y'all. So I didn't teach that to you. So in this problem right here, 25x squared plus 40x, we have to use the butterfly method because A is not 1 and there's no GCF that we can take out. I'm just going to give y'all the answer for the sake of time. The answer is B. If you use the butterfly method, you'll get B. 25 times 16 will give you 800. 400, sorry. And then you go through all of that, whatever like that. But the answer is B. Yep. So, you know, when I look at your work, I know that you didn't have to write anything down because I told you the answer. All right, person who's writing on the screen, can you please get that away? Thank you so much. Ah, these kids. Thank you. All right, number 16. So we have 25b squared minus 49. If we see ourselves subtracting two binomials, not subtracting two binomials, but when we're subtracting two monomials, if we're going to factor this factors into what? No. Sorry, I asked the wrong question. This has a special factoring name. What is the name of this type of problem? It has a special name. Ooh, nobody knows. Let's see if Hill Pfeiffer know. This 25b squared minus 49 has a special name. This breaks my heart that not one of these 26 people can get my stuff right. Y'all, it's called the difference of squares. Difference of squares. Difference of squares, y'all. Difference of squares. I wish you would have said it, Aiden. All right, so 25b squared minus 49 is the difference of what being squared? 25b squared minus 49 is the difference of 5b squared minus 7 squared. The difference of squares. So this factors into 5b plus 7 times 5b minus 7, which is A. Thank you, Asha, too. Get his life together. All right, so can I stop the recording? Stop the recording. Okay, so the people that didn't get this was the recording. Yay.